Live fire grilled corn on the cob. Guys, this is not crazy. This is just a really basic method to use some butter, some salt and pepper, and how I grill my corn. When I'm using a charcoal grill or live fire, I'm using the Black Earth Grill's Rome V2 little camping grill today to show you how I cook up my corn. So let's start from the beginning. You guys know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossy. Make sure you like and subscribe. All right. Check it out. So I got this corn on the cob. I picked it up at my local farmer's market. And as you can see here, holy cow, I've put a layer of butter all over it and some salt and pepper. Now, clearly, I peeled back the husk, and now I'm just kind of putting it back in place, one piece at a time. Don't be too rough here. You can tear off those leaves, and we definitely want to leave them. The idea is we're basically going to be steaming this piece of corn right inside the husk. You don't need absolutely every little piece. Once it's nice and wrapped with one or two layers of leaves, you're good. That's looking fantastic and ready to go on the grill. So it's just that simple. We brushed it with some butter, hit it with some salt and pepper, then pulled those leaves back up. Now I've got my little coal bed going here. And as you can see, I've got some pieces of wood burning in there, some maple wood, and it's just going to be absolutely spectacular. Now, these leaves on the corn will catch on fire. You got to be cautious. We're definitely going to want to rotate these often. The char that turns out on them is perfectly fine. Like, they don't literally erupt and burn. But as you can see here, they do have some char and they did kind of catch just a little bit. So first off, just be wary that you're not sending any flames anywhere. But overall, it's definitely worth it. Just kind of like steaming the corn and its husk over that grill not only gets that delicious smoky flavor from the live fire, but you're also steaming it. So it softens up the corn, just makes it absolutely scrumptious. So this only takes a few minutes, like 8 to 10 minutes total when you're cooking this right over that coal bed. And as you can see there, the end kind of charred off. It's really not that big of a deal. We just want to make sure we're, rotating these pieces of corn regularly. In my opinion, that's probably one of the most important parts here, is just maintaining the constant rotation of the corn, making sure all sides are getting good, an even cook. That's what's important. So this little charcoal grill, the Rome V2 by Black Earth, it's meant by, Black Earth Grills. It's meant to be a camping stove. And I've been playing around with it in my backyard. And dude, it's a lot of fun. Like, for someone that, wanted a little live fire cooking table, it's not that at all, but it's super cool and kind of close to it. Like, I'm definitely interested in seeing what I can do with this summer when I go out camping, right? Okay, so back to actually cooking this corn. As you can see here, I've removed the husk after about 8 to 10 minutes. We still have a little bit of that butter left, so I like to throw it right over the coals and try and give it just a little extra char. Nothing too crazy. You don't want to be like piling in your wood at this point. That will like burn the butter and whatnot. That's not what we're looking to do here. We just want this to be absolutely scrumptious. So after about 1 to 2 minutes over the coals without the husk, we're ready to pull it off, guys. This is going to be scrumptious. And that's it. There's your corn grilled right over that coal bed, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. The perfect little side for any barbecue meal. If you're cooking something up on the grill, you can just throw this over to the side and you're going to love it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're having a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe. You know what it is. Your boy, Saucy Rossy. Take care, stay safe, and have a great day.